After you notice your word patterns, let's go into your word inventory. Make a quick list of the phrases and words that you use often. There's many styles. What's yours? So after those two exercises, after teaching AI your style, consistency matters. Choose those 3 to 5 examples of your writing or communication, the ones that feel most natural to you. And ask people the ones, if they have favorites, if you've communicated, if there's anything they can pull out, but don't go overboard. 3 to 5 is fine at the beginning. Avoid including experimental styles or times when you are intentionally imitating someone else. And if it's a famous style, they'll just keep delivering that style. Read your 3 to 5 examples back to back and highlight the elements that are common in them. Remember what I said, those phrases, those words. Get to know your voice. And if you need to write more, then write more. And if you don't like the voice, work with AI and find alternatives. Ask for suggestions. I constantly ask AI to review, edit, evaluate what I've written, and it really helps me focus and gives me some alternatives where then I can craft it to myself. That's one of the best uses of it. So now create a simple one-page document with these sections. I want your sentence structure, the patterns you have, the vocabulary, topics you care about. Because if you're going to create content with AI, which are the ones you actually care about? So again, we get your voice, we get you. Tone, and this is one I love, what your communication is not. It's really hard to find your style in the beginning, but when you start with what my style is not, and when I show you the voice map at the end, we're going to bring this all together. But what it says is, what do I not want to represent? For example, I don't like corporate speak, so I don't represent corporate speak. I like mine to be more conversational, my language, my tone, so I communicate that. So under each heading, include 2 to 3 specific examples. And what my communication is not, give us 3 of those. 3 that they are not. I'm not corporate speak. I'm not into AI hype. That's not my style. And if I can give AI those not styles legally, but if I can show it some snippets of things that I don't like, that tells it, here's what I like, here's what I do. So obvious, but wait till we get to the next section. This is where it gets really good because you're giving it an idea of where you are, your style.